Infrared analyzer for in situ stack gas analysis. Excess air optimization part 6. Infrared analyzer used for in situ stack gas analysis, equipped with ceramic diffusion cell, reflector and calibration port. Dual beam infrared analyzer for stack gas monitoring. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा. When the infrared analyzer is used for in situ stack gas analysis, two different approaches can be used. First approach: the detectors and source on the same side of the stack. Second approach: the detector and source on opposite sides of the stack. The first configuration is shown in the attached figure. For installation purposes, the first is much easier, but it requires an internal filter to remove any solids from the stream. Note that only one opening is required in the stack with no critical alignment across the stack required, as in the other option. It is very critical to keep the reflector mirror clean. Some people use a ceramic filter for that purpose. In the second system shown in the attached figure, both the reference and measuring wavelength are affected the same by scattering bodies in the stream. Therefore, there is no need for a filter. This system is frequently used in pollution alarm situations. The reference cell is filled with somewhat less than the allowed emission of the gas of interest, and the infrared beam leaving the stack is alternated between a neutral filter and the reference cell. When the stack gases are below the level of concern, the reference cell will remove the absorption lines that are characteristic of the gas of interest. Therefore, the total infrared energy from the reference cell is at a reduced value. The analyzer is balanced by selecting a neutral filter which reduces the energy from all the wavelengths to such an extent that the energy levels received by the detector from the neutral and reference gas filters will be the same. When the pollutant of interest is present in the stack, the energy content of the reference path is unaffected because the absorption is clearly complete at the selected wavelength. On the other hand, the infrared energy reaching the detector through the neutral filter is reduced due to the absorption of the pollutant gas, and the ratio between the beams reflects the pollutant concentration at the level of concern in the stack. This measurement is unaffected by particulate concentration variations within reason, as it affects both paths equally and their ratio is unaffected. Cross-stack configuration of an absorption spectroscope. In these cross-stack absorption spectroscopes, the sensor can be a very selective tunable diode laser. Such a design is shown in the attached figure. This design is suitable for use in hazardous areas and includes both a transmitter and a receiver unit, which are connected to a junction box. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा।